my channel. So today's video is about cooking easy and delicious restaurant style French toast. So let's get started. First we have to prepare the batter for the bread. Take a bowl and crack 2 eggs. Now add a pinch of salt and 2 pinch of pepper powder and add 2 spoons of sugar. Try using cane sugar. It is good for health and it adds taste to your batter. Now stir the mixture until it gets fluffy. It is better to use the fork to mix the batter. It cracks the egg yolk and gives you a nice consistency for the bread. Now add a small cup of milk to this batter. Milk helps to break the egg and make the batter soft and lump-free. You should have the consistency like this. Now take a pan and place it in the medium heat and add 1 spoon of oil. Now I am going to add a half a spoon of butter. It is preferred to heat the oil first and then add the butter because butter won't be burnt. Oil keeps the temperature of the batter stable. Make sure the oil and the batter is hot before you add your bread. If it is not hot, then bread will stick to your pan. Now take a slice of bread and dip it in the batter as shown. Your bread should be fully covered in this batter. And now place it in the pan. Leave it in the pan for 2 minutes and then flip it over to cook the other side. Meanwhile, soak second slice of bread in the batter. Don't soak the bread in batter for more than 10 minutes. Then you can't make a good French toast. It will stick to your pan, so just soak it for 2 minutes. That is enough. Now place the bread in the pan and flip it over until it is cooked. Now your French toast is ready. You can add maple syrup or honey on the top of your French toast and serve it hot. It is fully packed with protein, so you can have it as a breakfast. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye bye.